Hello, hello, hello. This is Alex with Byrider of Madison. Just with a quick message for everybody. Back to school time is coming up in a couple weeks. A lot of things, with back to school, you got to get school supplies, you got to get, stuff for your kid, school clothes, everything like that. One of the things maybe parents might be looking for is getting a new vehicle. And a lot of times when you get a new vehicle, probably means you have an old vehicle. And maybe you're thinking about, hey, my kid's turning 16 years old and they're going to get behind the wheel, they're going to start driving soon. You might think about handing that vehicle down. Byrider of Madison, one important thing, since we work with the credit situations that we work with, trades are huge. Having a trade, my bank far more likely to be able to finance you. So, if we're looking for a nicer, newer vehicle, I got a whole lot of inventory here. I'm sure I got something that can work with your needs. But the trade-in, that can be gold to this application. So if you have any questions, give us a call, Byrider Madison, 608-663-1213. My name is Alex, ask for me, and I hope that was informative.